Welcome back, viewers. A Congress candidate has returned ticket apparently due to lack of funds. Sucharita Mohanty, Congress candidate from Puri, has returned to top party brass expressing her inability to contest due to scarce financial resources. Mohanty, a professional journalist, was told by the Congress to arrange for her funds, but she was unable to do so, unable to raise these funds through crowdfunding, and now she has opted out of the Lok Sabha race. Apart from lack of funds, Mohanty has also complained on ticket distribution, alleging that weak candidates have been given tickets and good candidates have been overlooked and sidelined. Listen in.
Ma'am, is it true that you have returned your ticket to the Congress leadership as you were being selected for the Puri constituency?
Yes.
Ma'am, what's the reason behind it?
Because party is unable to fund me. Then number two, in my assembly segment, the candidates who were given tickets, they are not the best candidates. I wanted better winnable candidates. I wouldn't have returned the ticket if I would have got some positive response. Like I was told that you organize your own resources and party won't be able to fund me.
Now compare these completely contrasting pictures. While Sucharita went about asking for money to fund her poll campaign with the party refusing to help her yesterday, the Gandhis arrived in Amethi on 2 chartered jets. Now the question remains, do the Gandhis lack financial resources?
पार्टियां अपने कैंडिडेट को सब पार्टियां फंड देती हैं, मदद करती हैं, चाहे सत्ता में हो विपक्ष में हो। लेकिन इस दुनिया देखा है कि कांग्रेस का जो फंड था किस तरह से अवैधानिक तरीके से मोदी जी ने उसको वसूलने का काम किया है, उसको ख़त्म करने का काम किया है, बैंक खाते सीज करने का काम किया है। तो इस वजह से पार्टी के पास फंड नहीं है कैंडिडेट को देने के लिए।
आपके पास तो पूरा भारत खरीदने के लिए पैसा है, आपने सारे भारत का जो पैसा है वो अपने दोस्तों को बांट दिया है और अभी भी बांट रहे हैं। तो आपको तो इन सब चीज़ों की कोई परवाह नहीं है। तो हम जानते हैं कि किस तरह अरेंजमेंट किए जाते हैं।
कांग्रेस और हाथी के दांत खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग। कांग्रेस कहती है मैं हूं कंगाल, पर एक्चुअली कांग्रेस इज मालामाल एंड द प्रथम परिवार इज एक्सट्रीमली मालामाल एंड देयरफॉर इवन एज दे ट्राई टू गिव एन इंप्रेशन दैट आवर अकाउंट्स आर फ्रोजन, व्हिच इट इज नॉट, they have huge stash of money, and we have seen when Dheeraj Sahu is raided, 350 crores is found in one room, and therefore they are claiming to be a poor party, but they are a poor party of very rich individuals, and therefore today they have been exposed, that doublespeak has been exposed. They only claim this to show that they are being vindictively treated, but actually they have huge amount of resources.
In fact, in March this year, the Congress had claimed that the BJP was using income tax department to strangulate the party by indulging in tax terrorism. The BJP had hit back, saying that no one is immune from the law of the land, and then a massive face-off or a slugfest had broken out.
हमारे देश के प्रमुख विपक्ष पार्टी के खिलाफ कर आतंकवाद हमले किए जा रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी को निशाना बनाया गया है खास तौर से, और हमें बार बार, कल रात को भी 2 और नोटिस मिले हमें। कल जब हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे तब तक 4 नोटिस हमें मिले थे, कल रात को 2 और नोटिस मिले हैं।
For assessment, yes, sir. Every year you have to file a return.
Yes, sir, exactly.
No one is immune from it. Not any member of any party or the party itself. So they had an income tax notice. Now they are saying कितने साल पुराना भाई नोटिस इनकम टैक्स है इनका? 17 हाँ, उससे पहले की इनकम टैक्स जो है फाइल नहीं किए, पता नहीं क्या करते हैं। इनकी आमदनी तो खूब होती है। वो लगता है वो पार्टी वाले कह रहे हैं कि हमारे पास 2 रुपए नहीं है, तो उनको पूछो। वो कांग्रेस को ब्लेम करना, उनका एक नेता है, उसके पास कांग्रेस का 350 करोड़ निकले, कहते उससे ले लो, उससे इलेक्शन लड़ लो।
And Sucharita Mohanty, the Congress candidate from Puri, who has now opted out of the Lok Sabha fight, has spoken out to the media as well. Listen into what she had to say.
No, I haven't denied. Party had given me the ticket, but I returned the ticket because party was not able to fund me. Then another reason is in my 7 assembly segments, in some of the seats, winnable candidates haven't been given the ticket. Instead, some weak candidates have got the ticket.
Huge embarrassment for the Congress party from Puri. BJP obviously has latched on to the issue, asking the question, how is it that the Congress party has no money for their own candidates but have all the money for chartered plane and choppers for the Gandhi family? With that, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।